Good morning, students, and welcome to the class of computer science. Children, today in this class, we are going to move further with some topics of communication skills. And today we are going to study the sentences, or especially the words and expressions which you use to express like and dislike. Exactly, we can say we are going to study describing words or describing expressions which we use to express our like or dislike. So let's begin. Children, if you want to converse properly and fluently in English, you must know how you can express your like and dislike. Okay? Otherwise, the person in front of you will not be able to get your feedback that whether you liked his feet or you disliked his feet. So, some typical words and expressions are there, children, which are used to express likes and dislikes about something, some work, some person. So, you may use the words like enjoy, hate, prefer, like, dislike, adore, crazy about, detest, and loathe. And if we classify into likes and dislikes, so enjoy, prefer, like, adore, crazy about are used for expressing our likes. As in the case of dislikes, the words are hate, uh, detest, and loathe. Alright, now, children, let me tell you the difference between like and love. These are two words to express our positive views about something. So, children, if it is a 10 pointer scale, so like will be given 5 points or 6 points, and love will be given 10 out of 10 points. So I think now you understand. Like means something that you enjoy, but you do not have extreme passion for that work. But love means you have intense desire for that thing. So the expressions used to say you love something are I love eating ice creams, I adore sunbathing, she is crazy about the cricketer. So crazy about it, she is mad about cricketer. It means she loves that thing. But if you are neutral, you don't want to give your expression of like or dislike. Sometimes it so happens that we can't go either way. We can't either say I'm very happy, or we can't say we are very sad. So here are some expressions like I don't mind doing housework, and don't mind is used to express that you are okay with the idea of doing something, but you are saying that exactly you are not sure that whether you love or you hate, but you are okay with that work. Second expression is I don't really care either way. So it means if you are given a choice of going to the cafe or for a movie, and if you are okay with both the options or you can't make up your mind, you use this phrase. Means when you are not sure, you are unsure, it's all the same to me. Now suppose you have chocolate and you have pizza in front of you, and you like both of them with equal intensity, then you are indecisive, you are not able to decide. Then you will say it's all the same to me. Now, children, hating something means it is beyond your tolerance level and you can't put up with it. See, love and hate both are extreme this qualities. And children, I suggest you that before opting for any one of the quality, hate or love, please be very analytical. You can't say that I love something or I hate something. Regardless of it, you can have a middle choice. That is, you remain act as indecisive, or you don't give your vote to either hate or love. Okay, now here are some examples of the expressions which show hate. I can't stand my boss. So it means it is used to express how much you hate your boss. I detest being late. So detest also expresses hatredness. I can't bear watching golf. So can't bear again means you can't tolerate. I loathe meat. So you are disgusted. You feel very jerky, very sad, very terrible when the meat is in front of you. Some of the examples are: I like eating ice cream. I am crazy about sports. I am fond of chocolate. I am a huge fan of soccer. The children, these four sentences are examples of like. I dislike wasting time. I don't like golf at all. I can't stand littering people. I detest being late. So these four are examples of dislike. So children, it was a small chapter to explain you how to express the likes and dislikes. So that's all in this video. Thank you and goodbye.